What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which has taken quite of a dip guys. In the last 24 hours it has dropped a huge 25%, currently trading at this value here. So we're going to be going through why has it dropped, is it likely to crash down further, is it likely to pump back up and recover, and mainly focusing on buyers and sellers point of view. Is now the right time to buy the dip before it pumps back up? Is it a good time to buy it at a discounted price, as some of you guys call it, or is it time to sell it before it drops back even further, or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to be covering both short-term and long-term holders and looking at its prediction as to what we can expect from Milady meme coin over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So first of all, it's not just Milady meme coin that's down. Majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the red side, including Bitcoin, which has dropped a massive 7%, currently at $63,000, which, if you are in my Telegram group chat, I did let you guys know, do expect quite of a dip in the crypto market in mid to late March, which is currently happening, going for a price correction. But anyways, today's focus is on Milady meme coin. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see that the value of Milady meme coin has dropped down to the SMA indicator here in purple. So yes, it's taken quite of a huge drop over the last week. However, it is pretty much on target and performing like it's meant to. So this has definitely gone for a price correction, like I predicted earlier on last week when it was pumping like crazy. I did expect it to go for a price correction, and that is exactly what's happening right now. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Milady meme coin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Reason being is it has gone through quite of a major drop, so it is likely to hit more green candles over the coming hours, trying to recover a little bit. I'm not saying it's going to fully recover, but very minimal increases in value are expected. So it should essentially be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, because it is also likely to hit red candles in between as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit skeptical. The orange line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the blue line, sorry, is looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So Milady meme coin, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming week. However, I'm expecting the crypto to go for an overall minimal increase in value by early to mid next week. It should be trading at least a good 5 to 7% up from where it is at the moment. That's not anything huge, because of the amount it's dropped is far more than 5 to 7% increase. So it is likely to hit more red days as well over the coming days, as well as green days. So ups and downs, but the overall outcome does seem to be more slightly on the positive side rather than the negative side. Moving on to the daily chart, over the next couple of weeks we are not looking too great. The blue line is looking quite bearish, looking very steep, heading towards the negative direction, so that is not realistic, and so is the orange line, but it's not looking as steep. So according to the graph, an overall drop in value is what is expecting from Milady meme coin over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late May 2024. However, Even though I did expect it to go for a price correction, which is currently happening, it is likely to take place over the next few days and then slowly start to recover in April and May, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, is what I'm expecting. Especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, this should have a positive impact on the crypto market in general, but we are speaking about Milady meme coin. I'm expecting it to go for an overall major increase in value, but again, it is cryptocurrency. If there are any major updates or major news that come across that can have a potential impact either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible, especially that I keep you guys updated on a daily basis on Milady meme coin to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect, what to predict, and bringing you guys any major updates that can have an impact, so that you guys can stay in the loop. Make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. In yesterday's video, when it was hovering around the resistance level, I did expect it to pump back up into the dark green zone and then drop back into the green zone earlier this morning, which has happened. I'm expecting it to drop down further to the lower part of the green zone is where I'm expecting, before it bounces back up over the coming days and potentially heading back up to the resistance level by early to mid next week is what I'm expecting. And in April, May, it should be heading even higher than where it is at the moment, potentially up to the blue zone and into the into the top tier level by mid-year is what I'm expecting from Milady meme coin. So on to the interesting part. As you guys can see, the trading volume has gone down by over 30% in the last 24 hours. Reason is quite obvious. The reason is the value of Milady meme coin has dropped quite a lot, so most people are holding back. A lot of people are also panicking, but again, I did warn you guys of the price correction, so indeed I'm expecting a lot more people to be holding back, waiting for it to drop further or to pump back up before they start trading it again. And over the week, even though it is down 15% since about, let's have a look here, on the 13th of March, which was about 6 days ago, the crypto has taken quite a major drop, guys, consistently hitting red candles. That's except here, which was earlier yesterday. It did take a little bit of a pump, but overall it is clearly on the negative side. So let me know in the comment section down below, has your prediction on Milady meme coin changed after the dip that's taking place? I've seen a lot of comments saying that I'm crazy for thinking that Milady meme coin is going to drop down in value, go for a price correction. But guys, have a look. This clearly shows you guys how crypto works, price corrections and so on. It's not all about green candles and pumping and so on. This is the reality of crypto. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below your predictions and your takes on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.